Hey guys, Brian here from the Speed Demon Pro channel. I want to welcome you to the channel if this is your first time tuning in, and if you're coming back, I welcome you. And today we're going to be unboxing this. Well, I already opened it to save some time, but as you can see, Adam's Polish just sent me a little gift. Let's see what's inside. Alright, cool. Looks like a applicator pad of some sort. Alright, cool. So, looks like I got two of the mystery buckets. To be stuck together. Oh, nice. Even comes with the grit guard inside. It's removable. This is so that you can bucket like so, and then you put your wash mitt on there to get all the dirt off, so that you don't scratch your paint up. Here's a bucket lid. It looks like it even has a pad on it, which is pretty cool, so that you can actually sit on it and wash your car at the same time. Alright. Let's sit down for this. Alright. So we got two applicator pads, looks like. Oh, nice. So if you get the Adam's Polish ceramic kit, which I just put on my car, this is the microfiber applicator for that. It's pretty nice. Got a little paper. Oh. As always, a sticker. No, it's my receipt. Of course, with every purchase of Adam's Polishes, you get a nice catalog book. I always like to browse through to see what's new. And also, with every box that you get of Adam's Polishes, they always send you a nice little candy. America. Alright. So we got tough glass towel. Ooh, this is gonna be nice. I can't wait to use this. Borderless gray plush towel. This is gonna come in handy. Great white drying towel. Looks like we got some products coming. Ooh, buddy. Oh yeah. All right, let's get all these out. So, and a premium microfiber wash sponge. Oh, nice. We finally replaced mine. I got the wool wash mitt, but this will be even better on the car. It should glide even easier. In a bag. Oh, cool. So, glass boost. I'm almost thinking, since I got this applicator pad, I wonder if we got a glass coating kit. We'll find out. Oh, this is great. Black trim restorer. First bottle. Eco wheel cleaner. Now I've already used the normal wheel cleaner, and it works really well. So can't wait to use this. Eco all-purpose cleaner. Okay, so it's a degreaser. Okay, nice. Leather and interior cleaner. We got the, oh nice, brilliant glaze. Oh nice. This is gonna look really great on the car. And a bottle of Tire&Rubber Cleaner. But wait, there's more. We got car shampoo. Nice. Oh, this stuff. I love this stuff. I was about to run out and I've been skimping on it, on using it, so I didn't run out. This stuff works amazing. And glass cleaner. Well, that's it. Unfortunately, we didn't get the, looks like the ceramic coat for this, or for the glass. But hey. So that kind of bugs me. So this glass boost is specifically for the Adams glass sealant. So this really, I can't really use this unless I get the glass sealant. Well, at least they give you the applicator to apply the glass sealant. I know what they did. They did this so that you would actually buy it. Smart. Oh look! Ooh, piece of candy. And another bucket with the Grit Guard. Okay, so all in all, this actually wasn't too bad. They got 2 buckets, all these products, and I'll tell you how much I paid, and then I'm going to tally up how much each of these cost. All right, we're back. I went off camera and tallied everything up, see how much it would be. So I paid a total of $140 excluding shipping. And the total that came out was $241.81. So that's $100 more for free. That's not bad. So I'm really pleased with this. I'm really pleased with this. 100%. Give you a little closer look. So yeah, here's our buckets. Grit Guard. Sorry for the jets. I'm on a Air Force base. Yeah, here's all the products. Overall, I'm very pleased. Alright, so what I was saying was I'm very pleased. You know, I got a $100 profit in these 2 buckets that I got. I said before, I was so rudely interrupted. I will use all of these products, so none of these products will go to waste. I can use them on the car. I love everything about these products. I mean, finally got myself an Adams polished bucket. So I received a total of 10 products, but I can only use 9 because obviously, as I said, that glass boost I can't use unless I got the glass sealant kit. What were you thinking, Adams polishes? But now I have to go buy it. So I see what you did there. Good on you. Which is not a problem really, because then I can have crystal clear glass. And have it bead off. That I already ceramic coated the car, so that water already beads off. If you're not on my Instagram, you should be speed_demon_pro, and you can see my stories. You can see the videos I posted of the car. Yeah, so this is going to be the end of the video now. I'm very happy with this mystery bucket. Well, these 2 mystery buckets that I received. Nothing will go to waste. Have a great day, night, morning, whichever. Speed Demon Pro, out.